I just realized I really need a job because, like, guys, you've seen me play Roblox and me being recorded. That's not really a job. That's my hobby. I actually need a job. How about the pizza place? Ah. What was that sound? Get out of my pizza place. Oh my god, I actually hit somebody. This is the happiest day of my life. I'm calling Eric Castle on you. Yeah, okay, I am banned now. Oh no. Can't even get me. Now where's my... Oh. I'm gonna ban you! Oh shoot. Beep. No! No! Why can't Noob get banned? Why can't more Dominus Horns get banned? Why am I banned? I didn't do anything wrong. Wait, what did it say? Do not abuse, hurt, kill other players on Roblox. Log off. I can do whatever I want. This is a free country. I can do whatever I want. This is Robloxia. You can't get banned. Well, you know what? I'm done with this. I'm logging off and never playing again. I hate this game. Of course that would happen. How about a guy that can run as fast as fidgets? Well, can survive a fidget spinner. I'm ready. Ooh. Yeah, that ain't possible. Nope. How about dying for no apparent reason? I get a lot of money for doing that. Fauna blocks full of lava activate. Ah! Ooh. Yeah, they ain't working. Also, where's my legs? Shoot. How about YouTubing? You know what, Lord Dominus Horns? I'm a YouTuber, and you're being filmed right now. Ooh! That's what you get for trying to copy my job. Or hobby. No one was hurt during the filming of this video. How about building? Grabs block. Puts down block. Grabs block. Puts down block. Grabs block. Puts down block. You know what? This is boring. And were there people in there? Yes, there were. Shoot. Oh. Wait. That gives me an idea. How about being a policeman? All right. Let's see who we can arrest. Hey! Oh shoot! I'm gonna kill you! Oh shoot! Ah! Ooh! Yeah, I am definitely not doing that. Also, did I just recreate Jailbreak? No. Phew! Well, let's try to search for a job on the internet. Dang it, I don't have my phone. Okay, so how about not trying to be blind? I'm ready. Alright, filmer. Turn on the flashlight. Ah, my eyes! Ah! Ooh. How about like skeleton slasher, stop motion animation? Alright, here's my object. Here we go. Move him. Take a picture. Move again. Take a picture. Put it up. Take a picture. Try to get another guy. Take a picture. You know what? This is boring. Ow! How about making robots? Inspired by skeleton slasher again. Hello, sir. Welcome to Mario's restaurant. Sorry, I was being too crazy. Yeah, sometimes I fall for no apparent reason at all. Okay, so you're going to be my test subject. Hey, what do you mean test subject? Ow. Hey, you didn't even hit me. Well, I'm gonna do it now. Oh, shoot. Yep, I definitely got him. Dink. Yeah. Wait, I need this. Alright, here we go. You can now be free, my beautiful creation. I finally actually got a job. I think it's my new job. Well, you actually might get arrested for this and get your account deleted from Roblox. Started to waste your dreams, stupid loser. Shut up. I don't care. Well, I do care. I'm just, wait. Aren't you an admin? My ears! Ooh. Actually, I can't have a job. No one will accept a demon. Well, I don't care. My job is being filmed and mutilating people on Roblox, such as Noob and Pizza Guy, and trying to get everyone banned by being an administrator. Well, thank you all so much for watching, and now I'm gonna go kill my robot. See ya!